Ever happened to you that you're just driving and suddenly it starts raining? Oh no. And you start your wipers and the goddamn things don't wipe really well and you can't see shit. So today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the wiper blades on your car, and you don't need to pay $20 to $90 at a service to do it for you and to put on some, I don't know what quality wiper blades they usually put on. So it is extremely easy. You just need to pop off this cap. Depending on the model of your wiper blades, it can or can't have caps like this, and there is a tab you need to push to unlock the thing. Now for the new wiper blade, I bought this really cheap wiper blade from Kaufland. They usually last 1 year. All wiper blades have a dimension. You can check what your car needs on the internet, but I will link a site in the description, and I will have the dimensions for the Focus Mark 1 on the screen. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put the new wiper blade on, so you can do it at home and not pay $20 to $90. And you press it on while you hear it click, and that's it. You have a new wiper blade installed. And you need to do the same for the passenger side one. Off with the old and on with the new. And the same for the rear wiper blade. Off with the old and on with the new. And finally my rear wiper is doing its job and it's not squeaking anymore. Don't forget, there's going to be a link in the description that will show you what size wipers you will need for your car. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that thumbs up button. If it did not, you can press the thumbs down button. But you should subscribe anyway. Drive safe and have a nice day.